Welcome back. Today, we are visiting Lake Minnewanka, the largest lake in Banff National Park. Currently, we are at Lake Minnewanka, the largest lake in Banff National Park, stretching to 25 kilometers. Right now, I'm on the boat deck, where we'll learn about the lake's history and marine life. We're about to take a cruise to explore the lake. This is our vessel for the adventure for today. We also have a tour guide with us in the boat. The mountain views are stunning and the lake is incredibly peaceful. If we're lucky, we might spot some grizzly bears or mountain goats along the shore. After the cruise, I took this trail to find a great spot for taking some pictures and water test my GoPro. There are too many rocks here. I put my GoPro underwater. The water looks so turquoise and again too many rocks underwater. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks and see you soon with more videos.